I haven't worked dough in a long time. As I take it out of the container, I'm putting not too much down. Pull my pizza dough out. Hopefully it's been out of the, and so once I get it up here, I give it one turn. So I can see that I'm getting a good pull on my bread. It can go faster, but I think I'm starting to get a really nice pizza size here that I like. I do. Put one ladle of your sauce in. But this should give it a lot of flavor. I don't want to make this too heavy of a pizza. Very nice little here. And I like to tear them in half and put a few on. And finally, I like just to add a sprinkling of fresh cheeses on here as well. You get it put in a new oven. Yep. And we'll take this baby out. I'm going to try the first slice of this pie and see if it's any good. And it's damn good. I haven't lost my touch. Good crust.